searching for a new vacuum cleaner can be quite the chore, especially since there are tons of options on the market. A vacuum cleaner is a device that uses an air pump to create a partial vacuum to suck up dust and dirt, usually from floors and from other surfaces such as upholstery and draperies. Vacuums these days come in all shapes and sizes, all of them packed with a variety of features so you can figure out which will best suit your needs. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. Professional features a detachable canister for portable cleaning power. It comes with the push of a button. It allows you to lift the cartridge away and easily clean in hard-to-reach areas. Also, it provides an anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Besides, it has an excellent swivel steering with LED headlights allowing for excellent control when maneuvering around furniture.